Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to take a screenshot on your Mac. I'm going to show you a few different ways to do this. Firstly, let's look at how to take a full screen screenshot. To do this, press Command, Shift, and the number 3 key all at the same time. You should see the screenshot appear in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. Click on it, and you'll get a few options such as Markup, Delete, and the Share button. Once you're happy with it, click Done, and it will appear in your default file location, which is usually your desktop. Secondly, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of only a portion of your screen. For this, you'll want to press Command, Shift, and the number 4 key. You'll then be able to select the portion of your screen you want to capture. Let's say I want to grab a shot of the dock. Again, it'll pop up in the bottom right corner where you can click it to preview and make any changes. Ready? Hit Done, and it'll appear in your default save location. Finally, let's look at capturing a specific window and accessing your screenshot settings. So for example, if I want to capture just the Safari window, you'll click Shift, Command, and the number 5 key. This will bring up your screenshot toolbar. From here, click on Capture Selected Window, and then click on the window you want to capture. You can even capture the dock this way too. Once you've captured your window, it will appear in the bottom right again and you can preview it if you like. Now if you want to access your screenshot settings, press Command, Shift, and 5 again to bring up that toolbar. Here, you can click on the Options button. This gives you more information about your screenshot settings as well as letting you set a custom file location for where you want to save your screenshots. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Mac tips and tricks.